We're going to get into mixers and live sound, and we have right now 3 different mixers. We've got a Yamaha mixer that is an analog console. We've got a little Behringer digital mixer that's designed to work with an iPad or tablet or even laptop or computer. We'll do the mixing on that. And then of course we've got the PreSonus mixing board that is our console in the recording studio area. They all essentially work the same, and we're actually taking one page out of that Yamaha user manual, and we're going to try to make mixing as easy as possible. Talking about 4 steps, and if you can't even remember 4 steps, at least remember the first step. And so the first step is going to be start by turning all level controls down to the minimum. And that is just an excellent rule to start with. That's going to be our first rule. Next, we're going to work each channel in one at a time. We'll do this a little bit differently on each mixer, but that's the same principle. So that you see that you're getting signal in, you're going to maybe have an LED light that blinks, or on the mixer in the studio, you're going to see that channel strip light up all the way. We can look at that. Then you're going to raise the master fader. So you haven't touched the channel strip fader yet. You just got that signal coming in. Lastly, you're going to slide up the channel strip for each instrument one at a time. And so that's how we would do the mixing process. And the most important thing is to turn down all the levels to start with. And here's how you do it on the PreSonus mixer. Once it's powered up, you hit the scenes button, and then we have one called DMT normal. And that will set that board back to what is our normal setting, and it zeroes everything out, and it turns phantom power off on all the channels. And the reason we would choose that and not zero out board is because we've got some things going on. For example, the talkback channel is already set up to go down that mix 11, that auxiliary send 11. So that sets it back to where we can go from there, and then we wouldn't want to zero out the board because then we would lose some of the settings that we already have in there. So that's the mixing steps. We're going to talk about 4 things. I think you can remember that.